Hello, I would like to show you a quick way of doing EFT which stimulates all of the points in a very short way. We start first of all by rubbing the one spot on the one side, saying, even though I have this, say what it is, I deeply and profoundly love myself, or I deeply love and accept myself, 3 times. Then on the other side, I choose to be free from this, or I deserve to be free, or I want to be free from this, feeling that we do deserve that. Then we move on to the tapping, in which we use all 5 fingers, stimulating all the finger points as they hit the top of the head, stimulating the head points at the same time, coming forward over the forehead to the eyebrow points, the sides of the eyes, the cheekbones, above and below the lips, the mouth, under the arms, the collarbone point, the sides of the hands together. Now we have stimulated all the points, and we do the gamut series. Closing the eyes, opening the eyes, down to the right, down to the left, circle with the eyes, circle in the other direction, humming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then tapping again the top of the head with all of the finger points being stimulated, coming over, forward to the eyebrow points, both sides of the eyes, on the cheeks, above and below the mouth, under the arms, on the collarbone points together, and the sides of the hands. We've completed 1 round of EFT in this way, in a very effective way. May you be well.